I was in a sporting goods store the other day and I looked up and there's all these images of people exercising, but none of them looked like they were having a good time. In fact, they looked like they were in a lot of pain. They were working really hard. No one had a smile on their face. It really didn't convince me that I would want to exercise or that exercise would be something that would feel good. When you add to that messages and stories that you hear about people getting injured when they're exercising or having a heart attack when they're exercising, all of these risks of exercising are elevated and they really counterbalance all those benefits that you hear in the media. We can really end up with a lot of exercise fears. Let's heal exercise fear with the 3 steps of the Be Well Now method. This is a whole person science-based method that helps you transform exercise into a form of whole person self-care. Not a job, not something that's going to cause you pain, just something that helps you feel and function better every day from day one. The first step is to be present, to be here. The B step lets you just start by listening to your body, by meeting yourself where you are. The idea that the start has to be hard is really based on athleticism. It is not based on how to exercise to be healthy and well. When you come into presence, being mindful and listening to your body, you can help your body move in a way that allows you to get the benefits from exercise right away. The second step is to know what you want. What's below those fears? If you're worried about injury, is it because you have a back that has caused you pain in the past and you really want to make sure that you're exercising in a way that takes care of it? Or if you're worried about heart disease because it runs in your family, then learn how to exercise in a way that reduces the risk of heart disease. Exercising is way safer than not exercising when it comes to preventing chronic diseases. However, there are principles to follow to ensure that you're getting the most from it. And then the third step is to start well. Start in a way that you feel and function better in your brain and your body from day one. Start at a level that leaves you with energy and less pain. Start in a way with a type of exercise that leaves your brain confident that you can continue doing this, and this is something that's helping you right here, right now. When you focus on the present benefits and you design exercise to feel and function better from day one, you calm exercise fears and you embody confidence through exercising. Learn more about how to heal exercise fear and move on with confidence at exercisingwell.com.